top bone.
Like something.
Yeah, right there.
Oh, there we go.
There we go. There it is. Come right in here. Oh, excellent. Gonna come right in.
Oh.
Perfect. Oh, good.
Oh.
Good.
Oh.
Good.
Oh. Oh. Thank you.
That siren's not, they're not coming to get you. All right, so a lot of training here. So we're going to, things are pulling a little more onto the left here today. He has a translating posture of the thoracic cage going this way. So let's check everything. Okay, so a little bit of knee stuff here. So we're gonna do this, come in here, get that going, good. Definitely up this way. Oh, good. Yeah, feel that.
Oh.
Good. Feel that there?
Yeah.
Okay, so we're gonna open up. We're gonna turn your head this way though. So I'm gonna get this. I feel something pulling here. I'm gonna come right in.
Oh.
Perfect. Nice. Excellent. Let's turn your head to the right. There it is. Come right in here. Oh. Excellent. Wow. Face down.
Yeah.
Beautiful. Nice tone change there.
Yeah.
Excellent. Let's line your back for a moment. That's pretty good.
And I did add another round.
Did you?
So
what are you up to now?
10 3-minute rounds.
Wow. How do you feel after doing that?
Oh, I feel excellent.
It's pretty good there. Excellent here. Let's try this. Let's see. So we've got top bone.
Like something.
Yeah, right there.
Oh, there we go.
There we go. Beautiful. Let's slide down a little bit. So, get more out of your training when we do this.
Yeah.
Okay, how's this feel?
Good. Oh.
That siren's not, they're not coming to get you.
Feels good.
Excellent. Let's go ahead and sit up, face that way, so you get this upper part going. And just bring your head down